How to fix mouse that double-clicks when you only click once on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, then expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Find your mouse, right-click it, and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. If you see multiple mouse devices listed, you can repeat the same process for the relevant mouse devices. Now disconnect your mouse from the computer. Wait a few seconds and connect it again. Windows should automatically reinstall the mouse driver. If the problem continues, open Settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Click Mouse, then select Additional Mouse Settings. Under the Buttons tab, find Double-Click Speed and adjust the slider toward Slow. Test the setting to see if the problem is fixed. Next, open the Pointer Options tab, and if needed, turn off Enhance Pointer Precision. Click Apply, and then OK. Finally, if your mouse is still double-clicking, the problem could be caused by a worn or faulty mouse button. Clean around the button and test the mouse on another computer if possible. If it still double-clicks on another computer, you may need to replace the mouse. And that's how you can fix a mouse that double-clicks when you single-click on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.